In this video, we are going to learn about navigation in SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D modeling software. So the navigation is really important to create 3D modeling in a user-friendly way. So let's take a look for some navigation tools. Under the camera tab, we can find so many options for navigation. And there are three main navigation tools are here. That is orbit, pan, and zoom, which is really important to learn and it will help us in future. Shortcuts for orbit, pan, and zoom is O, H, and Z. So let's try these options one by one. For orbit, when we click orbit, so this is the sign that comes to our cursor, and if we click left click it, it will orbit around the model. And when we will be using pan, there is a hand sign. It is a hand tool, so it will just drag the model accordingly to your need. And next is the zoom. You can zoom in, zoom out. Just drag it with the left mouse click and you are able to zoom it. If I want to go this side, just zoom it in. Also, we do have shortcuts to use navigation tools. If you have 3-button mouse, if we click the center mouse wheel, so the orbit, we can use the orbit command just like this. If we keep holding the center mouse wheel, it will orbit. And when you just roll in, roll out the center mouse wheel, it will zoom in, zoom out. So it is quite handy when you have 3-button mouse. So you are able to orbit around the model as well as you can zoom in, zoom out. In addition to these tools, I want to discuss a couple of more tools that we have under navigation. So if we go to the camera, we have field of view, zoom window, and zoom extent. If we click on field view, there is a cursor like a lens. This is the real zoom that we can see if we drag it by clicking the left mouse click. Look how it changes the field of view. So it just deviates, just manipulates your orthographic projections of your model. So if you have in a model, if you have very less space to view, so you can use field of view, so you can see more thing in less space. And if we talk about the zoom window, if this is the cursor it shows, and then if you want to just focus on this window, you can just create a square by clicking a left mouse button, and then it will zoom till here. And the final tool is zoom extent. It actually just covers all the models we have here. So it is quite nice to just zoom out and just zoom all and look the model from outside everything. So this is the so by using these tools you are able to navigate through SketchUp. So I will request you to try it at your PC and laptop and just check it by yourself. It will be really easy to navigate in SketchUp if you are able to learn about these tools, and you will be able to model anything very easily.